three dimensions. Number one dimension is action. Number two dimension is thought process. Number third dimension is the uh, comparison shot to the human intelligence. Comparison shot to human intelligence. Now, another aspect of artificial intelligence that we need to understand, or that we need to do away with, is called as this word, which is there on this slide, which is called as rationality. Now, this is a word that you might already know or you might not know. I'll define it for you. What is rational? Rational means ideal. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो मैंने highlight किया है portion. An ideal performance measure is called as rational performance measure. So this rationality means if I'm talking about certain situation and the artifact is solving that situation, solving a problem in that situation, human also solves that problem. There is some performance level that human shows, and there will be this artifact, it will also show certain performance level. If I compare the performance level of that particular artifact with human performance level, I'm not talking about rationality, because human beings many a time when they take decisions, they don't take ideal or optimal decisions. Human beings, they do not take ideal and optimal decisions. They will try to do things which please them in certain manner, but which may not always be the right thing in that scenario. You will come across numerous scenarios in your life as well when you had multiple choices to made. You knew that a particular choice was the best possible alternative in that scenario, but being a human being, you also are a bit of suboptimal being. तो आप क्या करते हो, दूसरा कोई सब ऑप्टिमल चॉइस भी उस सिनारियो में लेते हो बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टन अदर थिंग्स विच you might have in your mind. So we as a human being may not always take the ideal decisions, and there comes the concept of rationality. So if when I develop an artifact and put intelligence into it, and I want to judge whether the artifact is intelligent or not, and to judge the artifact's intelligent behavior or intelligent thought process, if I use the measure of performance as rationality, कि वो particular artifact एक rational behavior या एक rational thought process imbibe करता है, दिखाता है, it shows a rational behavior or not. Okay, so if I use that dimension, it will be again an AI system. It will also be an AI system, but then the performance measure for such AI system would not be a performance measure in comparison with the human performance with respect to behavior or with respect to the thought process. It will be comparison sought with respect to the rational behavior or rational thought process in that scenario. Now this word rational, we will come across this again after say 15-20 minutes. So I want to make sure that you understand what is the difference between a human behavior and a rational behavior. Okay, so a human behavior would be not rational in many scenarios. I'm not getting an example as yet, but maybe you can think of that you might come across any decision making situations, maybe during say suppose you want to study for the examination, and at the same time there is some important family function around. Okay, and there are not now two choices what to do, whether to invest time in studying such that the exam which approaching you need to study well to score good marks in that, and at the same time there is another scenario where there is a family function going around in your house and you need to invest some time because you need maybe to relax a bit yourself. Now these two scenarios are there. Many of you, if I pose this question to you, 80% of the people will say that ठीक है exam है, but I'll invest time more in the family function as well if it is that important, and only 20% of us might actually give more importance to the examination because you might not have studied well. But then the decision that you take would be a dicey decision anyway. Whether you take the 80% wali decision or 20% wali decision, your decision will always be a dicey decision. It won't be a confirmed decision. because being a human being, we may not always think of the rational behavior. So the rational behavior could be only concentrated on the examination, because passing the examination you may get degree certificate, and then later on you may get a good job, and maybe later on you can enjoy with your friends and family and other things. Let it be. I'm just giving you an example. For many of you, it might be the reverse way also. So I don't take it the other way around. But then the only point I want to make is, rationality means, given the knowledge that the particular artifact that we are calling intelligent has, all the information that it has, all the understanding that it has about the task, about the scenario. Okay, given that, if it has alternatives to choose from, it chooses the best alternative always when it acts or when it thinks. Okay, then that particular artifact would be meant as a rational one. In all the other cases, it will be not the rational artifact. So the rational artifact would mean doing the right thing given the situation. So there is always a situation given to you. If there is a task given to you, you want to solve that task. And in that task, if there are multiple options available and you are able to evaluate those options somehow, then if the entity that we are trying to call intelligent, if it is always taking the right decision, okay, then it is referred to as a rational entity. So now, as we saw, there are four dimensions that I actually divided this entire set of definitions of AI into, and these four things gives us multiple ways to define the AI. Okay, so I can have an artifact that can think human, that can act like human. I can have that act rationally, and that can actually think rationally. So there are four dimensions now to the definition of artificial intelligence. You can get these definitions in the book, complete definitions. Here they have not mentioned the complete definition. You will find some dots mentioned in the definition itself. No need to remember the definition. Only you need to remember that is how we are doing this four-way classification of AI definitions. Why we are doing it, we need to understand that. So we wanted to have artifacts gain intelligence. Intelligence was shown by human beings using two dimensions. First dimension is humans are able to act intelligently. Second dimension is humans are able to think intelligently. Third dimension that we have was when we are acting, or when we are saying that it is showing intelligence, whether it is compared with the human intelligence or whether it is compared with the ideal intelligence. So this is the ideal thing we are trying to compare with. So ideally intelligent being ने कैसे behave करना चाहिए था, उस तरह अगर वो behave कर रहा है या उस तरह वो think कर रहा है हमारा artifact, then we will be referring to it as an AI that is thinking rationally. So these are the four different dimensions using which we can